Managing duplicate apps on your Samsung phone is easy once you know where to look. Whether you installed a cloned app intentionally or by mistake, this guide will show you the quickest methods to remove it safely without affecting the original app. The first method is to delete the cloned app directly from the app drawer. Start by opening your app drawer and locating the duplicate app. You can easily identify it because it has a small orange dual messenger badge on the app icon. Once you find it, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Tap Uninstall, then confirm your choice by tapping Uninstall again. The cloned app will be removed, while your original app and its data will remain untouched. The second method is to disable the cloned app through Samsung's dual messenger settings. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features, then select Dual Messenger. You'll see a list of apps that currently have duplicate versions installed. Find the app you want to remove and turn off the switch next to it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to uninstall the duplicate app. Tap Uninstall to complete the process. Samsung will remove the cloned version while keeping the original app installed and functioning normally. After removing the cloned app, you may notice extra storage space becoming available and your app list will look cleaner and less cluttered. If you ever need a second account again, you can return to the dual messenger settings and enable the feature whenever you like. That's everything you need to delete cloned apps on Samsung. Follow these simple steps anytime to keep your device organized and clutter-free.